something I wanted to do for a long time. Actually, after watching Top Gun, the Tom Cruise movie, I heard that they used graduated NDs to create those dramatic, detailed skies. And I thought to myself, hey, why not try these filters in my own work? Even though there was that little voice inside me telling me that this was probably not a good idea. Some of the footage you're about to see is from a session I already posted here on the channel. So if you want to see the full BTS, you'll have to do some digging. For the rest, it was from a session that was actually sleeping on my hard drive. And let's not waste your time. What are actually graduated neutral density filters? A graduated ND filter is designed to reduce the amount of light coming through part of the lens with a hard transition or a soft transition. These filters are great for landscape photography because they allow you to photograph the sky and foreground with a single exposure, even in high contrast situations.
Yep.
When I work with wide-angle lenses, my frame is sometimes divided into two parts. Not always, it will depend on my composition, but it happens. The sky might have an important role in my image, and depending on the time of the day, a GND filter can be of good use to keep as much detail as possible in the upper part of the image. I was skeptical because the filter obviously will not only affect the sky, but also my model and any other elements present in the upper part of the frame. But I was curious and I had to give it a try. So looking at these images, now that you know I've used these filters, you can actually see that there is something happening in the upper part of the frame. It did help me for the skies, but it also introduced other problems. The rest of the environment, buildings, background elements were affected, and the effect was sometimes too obvious. I'm not really surprised. These filters work great for landscape photographers or architectural photography. For portraits, it depends. Sometimes it might work on some rare occasions, especially if you use a flash like I did to kind of compensate and balance your image, especially your exposure on your model. For this test, I used the KNF Concept Square Filter Holder Pro Kit. I already made a review a while back, so you know what to do if you wish to learn more about it. I just added these two GND filters. The great thing about this kit is how easy you can adjust the strength of the filter to your likings and adjust the horizon line. I've had them for some time now, and I have to admit they are still in great shape. If you are looking for a kit, filter kit, and these type of filters, you should seriously consider them. I was in Paris for the Salon de la Photo last week, and I'm heading to Brussels at the end of this week in a couple of days. So I will do my best to spit out a new video before I leave. So I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Take care, and until then, have a good one.